Hi, I hope that you're extremely good. In this lesson, we're going to look at algebra. And I want to take note of this. Algebra is any letter of the alphabet that is used to represent any number, except for, I'm going to repeat. Algebra is any letter of the alphabet that is used to represent any number, except for O. Now I know you have a question, why is O not used? O is not used because it looks exactly as 0. O is an identical twin to 0. Like if I write both of them here and I ask you which one is O, which one is 0, you see? You'll be confused because they are identical. So to remove that confusion, we will never use O in algebra. Right. I want you to write this subheading. Addition and subtraction of algebra. And put a star as a point, right? Star as a point. When we are adding or subtracting algebra, we add or subtract the coefficients. Yes, I know that you don't know spelling of coefficients. Coefficients. This is the spelling of coefficients. So when we are talking about coefficients, or when we are saying coefficient, it's not something that is difficult or complicated. You understand what a coefficient is. Before I tell you what a coefficient is, I want to ask you this question. It's going to be example 1 though. What is the answer? X plus X. What's the answer? X squared. I know you're 100% wrong. Okay, I know when it comes to money, we never fail. What is the answer here? Dollar plus dollar. Yes, $2. You're 100% correct. I want you to do what you did here on top. If dollar plus dollar is $2, so what is X plus X? 2X. Yes, that's perfect. 2X. But when it comes to algebra, we first write the coefficient. So you now know what a coefficient is, right? Don't write these dollars. Just use them for you to understand. The other thing that I want you to understand is that coefficient 1, you can write it or you cannot write it. So if there's nothing here, it means the coefficient is what? 1. Right. Coefficient is what? 1. Also here, there's nothing, it means there is what? 1. So to say $1 and to just write plus and 1 is the same thing. So to say 1x and to write just x is 1 and the same what? Thing. As I told you, when we are adding or subtracting algebra, we add or subtract the coefficients. I want you to write a point. Coefficient is the number that multiplies algebra. Write this. Coefficient is the number that multiplies algebra. So our coefficient here is what? Is 2. To say 2x is the same as 2 times what? X. Let's simplify this. 5x plus 3x. What is going to be the answer? Remember, the coefficient here is 5 and the coefficient here is what? Is 3. And as I told you, when we are adding or subtracting algebra, we add or subtract the coefficient. So you're just going to say 5 plus 3. What's going to be your answer? That's 8. And then the algebra remains the same. So it will be 8x. If it's confusing you, just put it to money, because I know you love money too much. And when it comes to money, you won't get the wrong answer. So $5 plus $3, that's $8. Even if the algebra changes, 10y plus 2y, what's going to be the answer? That's 12y. You're just saying 10y plus 2y, 10 plus 2, that's 12. Remember.